Hey guys, what we're going to talk about today is how to do an in-depth cleaning of your hearing aids. There will be times where you put your hearing aid on and it's just not working. Most times it's due to wax down in the filter. So I'm going to show y'all how to do that. You're given a cleaning cloth that looks like this in your kit whenever you get your hearing aids. So what you're going to do is you're going to use that and we're going to remove this dome. So it's always easier if you use something firm to grab the dome. And so you're going to use that and just wiggle the dome off of the hearing aid. Underneath that, you're going to see this little white piece. That is what is called the filter. You have these things here called the Pro Wax Mini Fit filters. If you open it up, it looks like a turtle. We call it the turtle. What you're going to do is pull out one of the black pieces. Here's the clean filter. We're going to use this end to remove the old filter. You simply push it straight down and pull out. And then you rotate over and just push straight in the new one. And that's how you replace the filter. Now the next part is that you need to put the dome back on. Now your dome, once you pulled it off, you really don't want to use the same dome. So if you are needing domes, let us know and we can get you some. So you do want to use a fresh clean dome to put back on. So here I have a fresh clean dome. You'll see on the dome, there's only one place for the hearing aid to go, or for the speaker to go into. And so what you want to do is you want to push it down in there as far as it'll go. Once it is on all the way, you want to give it a little tug to make sure it's not going to come off in your ear. And that is how you change the filters and the domes. Thanks, guys.